Hi guys, welcome!
Faiz, I think something wrong with this biscuit because yesterday it was so crispy and crunchy, but today it was so softer and different.
Oh, really? This problem might be related with the moisture content.
Moisture content? You mean the amount of water can affect the quality biscuit?
Yes, moisture content. Moisture contents refers to the amount of water inside food product. Even though we cannot see it, but the amount of water in food product can affect the quality, the texture, and the shelf life of the food.
So, they explain why the biscuit becomes softer after exposed to the air.
Exactly. When the biscuit exposed to the environmental moisture, it will lose the crispy texture that it should have.
Then, how food manufacturer can control amount of water inside the biscuit?
Oh, they use chemical analysis method that called gravimetric analysis. Gravimetric analysis is to measure the moisture content in food. Oh, what is gravimetric analysis?
Gravimetric analysis sounds so complicated. What exactly does it mean?
Actually, this method is quite simple. Gravimetric analysis is used to determine the amount of substance by measuring the changes of a mass.
So, scientists measure the weight before and after removing something.
Yes, in gravimetric analysis, they weigh the sample first to get the initial mass. Then they heat to remove the water, or we know as moisture, and then they weigh again.
So, the difference is how much the water was lost.
Yo, that's correct. Actually, the lost mass is the moisture content in the biscuit. Yo!
Now, let's look at how this analysis is performed in the food industry. The first step is preparing the biscuit sample. The sample is weighed to obtain its initial mass. Next, the sample is placed inside an oven at a specific temperature.
24 hours later.
The heat removes the moisture from the biscuit through evaporation. Does the heating remove the whole biscuit? No, the purpose is only to remove the water content while keeping the remaining dry material. After drying, the sample is cooled and weighed again to obtain the final dry mass. For example, a biscuit sample has an initial mass of 10 grams. After drying, the final mass becomes 8 grams. The moisture loss is 2 grams. So, the moisture content is 20%. So, this means 20% of the biscuit sample was water, which based on the formula, the moisture content is the initial mass of the sample, which is 10 grams, minus after the drying mass of the sample, that is 8 grams, where the moisture loss is 2 grams. Exactly. This method is versatile and can be used for a variety of different food products. This information helps manufacturer control product quality and ensure consistency. But, is there a disadvantage? Yes, the gravimetric method can be time-consuming, taking from hours to over 24 hours to complete. However, its simplicity makes it useful for quality control.
So Arsha, in the biscuit industry, moisture analysis is an important quality control process. So do you know why is controlling moisture so important?
It is because too much moisture can make biscuits become more softer and it will reduce their shelf life.
Oh, so that means manufacturer need to correct the moisture level to maintain the level of crispiness of their product.
Exactly. The design will help company to improve the production, choose a suitable packaging, and help to maintain a good quality. So that's how the analytical chemistry help to solve a problem in the food industry.
Oh,
For this, I thought biscuit depends on your ingredients and dairy. But now I understand that it depends on science too, which is on the process of food quality control.
Gravimetric analysis is a simple but important method used to determine moisture content by measuring change in mass.
This method helps manufacturers to produce biscuits with better texture, longer shelf life, and consistent quality.
Chemistry is not only in use laboratories, but it also used in daily product that we use and we enjoy. Chemistry